Frosty the snowman was a jolly happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a button nose and two eyes made out of gold. Good morning, students. Do all of you know what season it is? Yes, it's the Christmas season. And today we are going to do a fun activity. We are going to make a cute little snowman. For this activity, you will need a sheet of chart paper or an A4 size sheet, white paper, an orange piece of paper, a black piece of paper, a brown piece of paper, or you can also use black, a scale, a pencil, googly eyes if you have, or you can use a marker and draw the eyes, a small piece of ribbon, any color that you like, a scissor, a piece of card paper. You will need two round objects, one for the body and one for the head of the snowman, and you will need a black marker or a black pen, and lastly glue. So let's begin. When you take a chart paper, make sure that the smooth side is underneath and the rough side is on top. We will fold the paper into half, edge to edge. Then we will fold the paper again into half from one end to the other. Now take your round object for the body of the snowman and let's trace it. Next, you will take a round object for the head of the snowman and trace it. Take your sheet of card paper. Again, take the same circle object for the body of the snowman and trace around the circle. Now let's cut the circles. Please be careful when you are using the scissors. Take care. Make sure you cut exactly on the line that you have traced, neatly and precisely. Now hold this tightly and cut around the big circle on the line. Now count the circles. There should be 4 and the shiny side on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's cut out the small circle, but we need only one circle. So I am cutting only the top of the sheet. Remember to take care of yourselves when you're cutting and cut neatly on the line. So now students, we have 4 big white circles, 1 big circle cut out of the card paper and 1 small circle for the face of the snowman. Now take the white circles of the body and hold them all together tightly. Fold it exactly into half. Now we have a semicircle. After you do this, take out each circle carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take one of the circles, put the rough side on top and apply glue around the circle. Stick the card paper circle exactly one over the other. Now we have our base ready for the snowman. Let's fold it again into a semicircle exactly from edge to edge. Keep the circular side to the bottom and the flat side on top. Now watch carefully as I stick the rest. Put glue on the entire semicircle. Remember to face the flat side on the top, the circular side on the bottom. Now take the one sheet, stick it exactly on the edge. Apply glue on this side. Apply glue all over the semicircle. Then exactly from one edge to the other, stick the second circle. Then again stick the third circle. Isn't it fun, children? Now turn the last semicircle out like this on the edge. And we have the body of our snowman ready. Now let's make the face of the snowman. First, we will cut out the hat. You will require a black piece of paper, a scale and a pencil. Keep the scale exactly on the edge of the black paper and trace a line straight across. It is about 2 centimeters. Then keep your scale in between and draw a line 2 centimeters away from the line that we just drew. And go all around the scale. Be careful when you are using the scissor. Take care of your fingers and cut exactly on the line that you drew. You can give it a nice shape at the end. Next, let's make the nose. Take your strip of orange paper. Draw a triangle. Now let's cut it out. Take care of your fingers when you are cutting. Now let's fold this triangle into half. Look carefully. Now at this edge to the bottom of the triangle, make a small fold. So now we have a small fold and another fold. Let's make the hands of the snowman. We will need a scale and a pencil. Take your scale and carefully place it at the edge, half a centimeter wide. Draw a marking at the top, in the center and at the end. Then draw your line. Then again let's measure half a centimeter. Once in the center one time and at the edge. Again hold your scale steady and exactly on the markings draw a straight line. Now we need one more hand. Now we have 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Let's cut it out. Now I've cut out the strips. Let's take 2 of the strips, hold them together edge to edge, fold it exactly into half. Hold it tightly, pinch it at the edge, then take your scissors and cut it. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 strips. Let's take out 2 for the hand and these 2 strips. Again let's fold it into half. Watch carefully, children. Now let's take our scissor and again cut it at the end. Now that we have our cutouts ready, let's make the face of our snowman. We will take the white circle. Remember to keep the shiny side on top and the rough side at the bottom. We will take our glue and put a little glue on the edge of the circle right at the top. Take the hat of the snowman and stick it neatly on the top of the circle. Now we are going to take our googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, you can take a marker and draw 2 eyes on the snowman's face. I am taking the googly eyes, putting just a drop of glue on the top. Stick it. Both the eyes should be exactly on either side of the circle in the center. Watch carefully, children. Can you see this small strip here? We are going to put glue only on this little piece of strip that we have folded. Put a small line here. Now turn the nose. Do you know how this nose should be? The pointy side facing front. So we will take that small strip and keep it exactly in the center below the eyes and stick it straight to the white of the sheet. Now we have our snowman's nose ready. Now we are going to make a happy smiley snowman. Now that we have our snowman's face ready, let's stick the face of the snowman to the body that we already kept ready before. Put the glue at the edge of the face, right at the bottom. Now look carefully as I stick the body of the snowman. Remember, the mouth should be at the bottom. And can you see this part? Only on the edge we will stick neatly and carefully. Remember that you must not cover the mouth of the snowman. Let's stick the hands of the snowman. Remember, we cut out 1 long strip and 2 small strips of each hand. Now we will stick the small strips on either side of the hands. Take your glue, put it at the edge. Place it in the middle, and this should come exactly in line with the middle strip. We'll do the same for the other one. Now let's stick the 2 hands on either side of the snowman. Put glue on the tip, just a dot is enough. Turn it and stick it at the side in a waving position. Now let's put a scarf on the snowman and make him look nice and handsome. Take your strip of ribbon that we cut, fold it exactly in half. Press it at the end. Put some glue at the edge. Now, just below the smiley face, leave a little gap and stick the ribbon. Press it firmly and it should look like as if it is stuck on the neck of the snowman. Now let's complete our snowman by drawing some buttons in the center. Remember to draw each button on the center line of the circle. And now that our snowman is ready, let's open the back fold and keep him standing on the table. Here we have our cute and cuddly Frosty the Snowman. You can keep him anywhere in your house as a decorative piece. My students, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this fun activity making Frosty the Snowman by yourself. Do remember to click a picture and send it to your class teacher. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. I love you all very much. Take care of yourselves.